Helicopter rescue gone wrong. Leaves 74-year-old woman. Hold on. Let me look at this. Helicopter rescue gone wrong. Leaves 74-year-old woman spinning so fast she loses conscious. Wait, what the fuck? Damn, really passed by now. Happy to report the 74-year-old woman who required helicopter rescue after injuries sustained during a hike on a Phoenix mountain is a stable condition. So she was hiking, she probably broke her leg or something, and the rescue command came to pick her up and spun her like a blade. Yo, look at this shit.
Wait, I almost switched to my PC, hold on.
A 74-year-old man who a local ABC news said, oh shit, wait, what's wrong? I don't see. What? It's not spinning at all. Oh shit. Bro, that shit's spinning like a blade. Yo, look at this. The real. Oh shit. Bro, she's having a thrill of her life, bro. Holy fuck. Bro, she's going faster than a blade on a helicopter. Holy fuck, she's going fast. Holy shit. Bro, she's dead. Bro, she's dead. In that situation, you'd be fucking dying of laughing, bro. It's just common sense, bro. Like it's so cartoony. It's so cartoony, that's why. It's just spinning like a fucking loony. You hate to see that. Fuck. Wait, woman in helicopter rescue got so dizzy to walk. What the fuck, bro? That shit's spinning fast as fuck.
Says he was shocked when he first saw her in the hospital.
I just couldn't believe her. Her eyes were all blackened. Her face was all black and blue. Her hands and feet were blue.
George Metro spoke to KTAR radio personality Matt Watson.
It was so serious. This man was helpless watching his wife spin for over a minute and a half, a revolution of about 100 times.
Holy fuck.
He couldn't do a thing, and she suffered some major.
What her face looks like. She hasn't
the
seen
G-force
any
is getting to
video.
me.
Across America, people
Fuck
who
the
have seen the
G-force.
video expressed amazement.
Bro, hey, that's a
but
free
also
roller coaster
mockery.
ride. Bro, that's a free ride.
Hiker, everybody.
Bro, that's a free ride. No fucking way that's her. No fucking way that's her.
My life is a living hell!
Even though we made fun, or
That's
people
fucking
would
her.
make fun, or people would laugh, now that we know the true story and the whole story, of course we were apologetic.
George into the stretcher is 74-year-old Kati